is Janice and welcome to my channel. I finally got the chance to make a YouTube video, but I promise I will try my best to start posting one at least weekly. Sundays are my goal. I know I have been caught up with the whole 30-day fitness and I'm on this fitness journey, but I will also keep you guys in mind to be posting makeup videos and also some workout routines. First, do use oil because my makeup does seem to dry out my face. So what I use is Vanish oil. With my hands, I just color NC20. This is an e.l.f. small stipple brush, and the tip looks like this. I like this brush because it puts it on pretty thick, and if it's for a night out and you know you're gonna be kind of like touching your face and hugging and saying hi to people, and you don't want your makeup to fall out, so. It by Kat Von D. So they told me there that this is the closest thing you'll get to the Shape Tape, and the color I use is L3 Warm. So, and it looks like this. A little brush. Same brand, it's from Vanish, and I spray this on here and it's much easier to blend, plus we all want those vitamins come through. This is the set powder. It's translucent. So I'm gonna look crazy right now. I use it with the same beauty blender, and I am gonna pack this on. So this brush is, I believe, by Love Us. I'm not sure, but I will get the name for you guys. It's an angled brush. If it's not this one, then I use the e.l.f. angled brush for my eyebrow. Routine, except I don't do the contouring. I don't do any of that on a regular basis. So the palette I'm gonna use is just the Modern Renaissance. It's beautiful. And the burnt orange is the second bottom one. They're all named. So sometimes I'll actually set the concealer, but today I won't. I want something a little bit deeper. I want a little bit of a deeper color. So I didn't set my concealer. So this, you're just gonna keep going and going until you're blending it out. From Morphe, it's a little smaller, more tapered. And that I will apply right under here, right on the crease. We'll go in with my small brush that I used to, the small Morphe one that I used to conceal the eyebrow. I will come in here and I'm gonna come right above my crease. The way I know how to get a good crease is I just roll up and it'll leave a patch as to where I'm supposed to go and line it. Okay, so this is pretty much it, and I'm just gonna show you guys the one eye so we can really kind of focus. So I pretty much put it in, and you see how the line is not perfect with my angled brush, the one I use for my eyebrow. And I'm gonna go back in the color Red Orchard in Venetian Red, and I'm gonna go back in and fill it. So I'm gonna go on top of this, okay? Look closely. You don't have to worry much about this because we're actually gonna shade this part in. What you wanna worry about is the front and the line being really straight. I'm gonna go in the color Love Letter, and I'm just gonna come here, and that's the color I want to ultimately bring forward. This is pretty much all it is, and I'm just gonna really blend. And with eyelashes, of course, everything looks much better. So we went from this crazy eye to something like this. So I did one side and I did the other side. Get it at Target. So my eyelashes are a little bit dramatic, the ones I'm actually gonna put on, which is why my eyeshadow is a little dramatic. But on a daily basis, I will never wear eyeshadow like this with no lashes. Ever. Starlet, this is the best freaking eyelash glue ever. I just applied some on the end. I put it all across here. So I'm gonna back up and show you guys. I first put down the end part This is super easy. It's harder with fingers, especially mine, because mine are so fat. So it's hard to really aim where I'm going for. So I'm gonna come here. So I just attach the back. So first I place it in the middle. I attach the back. I come to the front and I attach the front. And just let it sit. So you apply it the closest you can to your actual eyelash. So this is pretty much it. So I'm basically gonna go over what I contoured. So very lightly. I will first apply my oil. It's of course Spanish. So I first applied my Vanish oil on my lips and I will go in very lightly. I will go in very lightly. And there it is. Alright guys, so this is the final look.